Welcome back to the Crypto Investment and Market video series, short, focused lessons designed to help you understand the markets while protecting your crypto and Web3 assets. In crypto, markets don't move in straight lines, they move in cycles. Periods of growth, excitement, and optimism are always followed by times of correction. These repeating patterns are known as bull markets and bear markets, two powerful forces that shape prices, emotions, and decisions. But understanding market cycles isn't just about chasing profits, it's about protection. Because in both extremes, when everyone's euphoric or when everyone's afraid, that's when investors make their most costly mistakes. Learning how to recognize and navigate these phases helps you stay calm, informed, and in control. Let's break down the two main phases of every crypto market, the bull and the bear. A bull market is when prices rise, optimism grows, and new investors rush in. Confidence turns into overconfidence, FOMO takes over, and people chase hype instead of facts. The key is discipline, verify every project, and trust fundamentals, not trends. A bear market is the opposite, prices fall, confidence collapses, and fear dominates. But it's not the end, it's a reset. It's when weak projects fail, and strong ones prove their worth. Use this time to learn, organize, and plan long term. Between them are transition phases, unpredictable periods filled with confusion and false signals. When in doubt, slow down, ignore the noise, and focus on verified information. Market cycles can last months or years, and success comes not from timing them, but from managing your behavior through them. Before we continue, if you find this content valuable, please like this video. Your support helps us keep spreading free educational resources to make crypto and Web3 safer for everyone. Thanks. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. The biggest risk in market cycles isn't price, it's emotion. In bull markets, euphoria leads people to buy blindly during pumps, the perfect setup for scams and overexposure. Take profits early, and research before acting. Greed keeps investors holding too long for just a bit more, often turning gains into losses. Set goals and stick to your exit plan. During downturns, fear drives panic selling. Zoom out and check fundamentals before reacting. And when losses hit, desperation sets in, people fall for fake recovery offers and send crypto to scammers. Stop, verify, and never act under pressure. Euphoria and fear are two sides of the same trap. Stay calm, informed, and in control, no matter what the market's doing. Whether it's a bull run or a market crash, strong habits keep your crypto safe. First, use self-custody wallets. In bull markets, they keep your profits secure after trading. In bear markets, they protect your assets from exchange failures and freezes. Second, take partial profits. Lock in real gains while prices are high, and avoid the regret of overexposure when markets turn. Third, avoid leverage. During bull runs, it limits risk amid volatility. During bear markets, it preserves your capital and helps you survive the downturn. Fourth, stay informed, not hyped. In rising markets, it helps you cut through noise and trends. In falling ones, it builds confidence through real understanding, not fear. And finally, keep learning. Education helps you spot scams and poor projects in any market phase, and turns bear market downtime into lasting skill growth. These habits don't just protect your portfolio, they build discipline that lasts through every cycle. This was a short introduction to market cycles, navigating bear and bull markets safely. To test what you've learned, visit cryptosafetyfirst.com and take our quick quiz on market psychology and security. For more in-depth learning, explore our companion books, including the 3-Wallet Model and the Crypto and Web3 Hacks, Scams, and User Mistakes Prevention Guidebooks. For more free lessons, downloadable guides, and videos, visit cryptosafetyfirst.com. Stay informed. Stay secure. Stay in control and help others stay safe too. Thanks for watching.